Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. As I've told you regarding the motovlogging setup in my previous video, so these are the three things which are required for motovlogging using your mobile. So this one is a helmet mount, and this one is a suction cup. In this suction cup we are only using the upper part of this suction cup, only this part. I would have bought this only single thing, but I was getting at the same price, so I just bought the whole thing. And regarding this helmet mounter, it is an universal which can be suited for any helmet. And this is a mobile holder which holds your mobile. And so as you can see, one thing is attached to the mobile holder. Actually this thing is comes with the suction cup at the top of this, as you can see. So basically it works as a camera angle for a mobile, and it also gives a grip to your mobile. So I'll just show you how to install these three things to your mobile, to your helmet. So let's get started. So this is the final outcome after installing all those three parts. So this is how it goes. And as you can see, the mobile holder, you might be thinking which is quite unsafe, but trust me, it is safe. So I'll just show you around. Alright guys, let's take a quick spin. So I'll just show you how it looks after installing all those parts to your helmet. So as you can see, the camera angle, which is far better than the previous video. And please let me know if the camera angle is better than the previous video. And it took me so many shots to get this perfect angle. So after all those shots, I'm able to get the perfect angle, as you can see. So I'll just put the previous video link in the description, so you guys can compare with the present one. Actually the previous video was took by a pillion rider with the help of a tripod. By holding the tripod exactly at your helmet chin, I saw this mobile motovlogging setup on Instagram. So I thought let's give it a try. If it works, then I'll just go with mobile vlogging only till I get perfect. So in time, after I get perfect, hopefully I'll buy a GoPro to vlog. So the best thing about the mobile motovlogging is anyone can afford all those three pods. You'll get around 12 to 1300. You'll get all those mobile motovlogging setup. But if you go for a GoPro, it would be very expensive. And if you're a beginner, just go with the mobile vlogging only if you're a beginner, because after buying all those expensive 35 to 45,000 GoPro, you're not able to record or get a perfect angle or how to speak. If you don't know, then all the money and the time that you have invested in the GoPro would be gone for nothing. So at the beginning, just start with the mobile only. That's my opinion. It's up to you guys. So I'll just put all those product links in the description. So if you guys want, you can get it from the description links. Hope you guys got the clarity about those mobile motovlogging setup, which I have also shown you about how to install all those products to your helmet. So alright guys, let me know the camera angle is perfect in the comment section. So if you like the video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.